How to fix keeps vibrating in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, turn off notification alerts. Open setting now. In setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search app that you want to turn off notification. After selecting app, click on notification, scroll down and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off notification from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on search bar, search software update and click on system update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two options, power off or reboot, and if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After this icon swipe down, restart device. This is how you can fix keeps vibrating in Poco X8 Pro. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.